AI is taking over the world. But did you know you can make thousands of dollars per month just by setting up AI chatbots for businesses? No coding, no experience needed. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make money with AI chatbot services in 2025. Let's go. AI chatbots are automated assistants that handle customer support, book appointments, and even generate leads for businesses. They save companies time and money, meaning businesses are willing to pay you to set them up. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are making anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per chatbot setup. Some charge monthly fees for maintenance, creating passive income. Sign up for free on platforms like ManyChat, ChatGPT, Tidio, or Chatfuel. These tools let you build chatbots without coding. Reach out to small businesses, e-commerce stores, and influencers who need automation. Offer a free trial to attract clients. Use AI to create chatbot flows in minutes. Set up automated responses, lead generation, and appointment scheduling. Charge a one-time setup fee of $200 to $500, plus a monthly fee for chatbot updates and support. To scale, offer chatbot services to multiple businesses, automate lead generation, and create chatbot templates you can sell online. And that's how you can make money with AI chatbots in 2025. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI business ideas, and comment below if you want a full tutorial on chatbot setup.